What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Firecracker Meatballs. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need ground chicken, yellow onion, green onion, garlic, parsley, eggs, panko breadcrumbs, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, hot sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, and crushed red pepper flakes. Begin by dicing 1/4 of yellow onion. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Chop 3 stalks of green onion. Chop up some parsley. In a bowl, add 2 pounds of ground chicken, 2 eggs, minced garlic, yellow onion, green onion, and parsley. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, and crushed red pepper flakes. Add 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Mix until combined. Take a scoop of ground chicken and roll into a ball. Make sure your meatballs are all close in size so they can bake evenly. Place the meatballs on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes and give them a flip halfway through. While the meatballs are in the oven, we're gonna make the firecracker sauce. In a pan, add a 1/2 cup of hot sauce, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Allow the sauce to simmer for 5 minutes. Now that the meatballs are done, we're gonna place them in a bowl, add the firecracker sauce, and give them a toss. And there you have it, firecracker meatballs. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.